HTC has taken its already pretty damn decent flagship U11 phone and given it a spit and polish. The result, the U11 Plus, a 6-inch Android phone with a handful of tweaks over the standard model. The screen is larger. For one, it was 5.5 inches before, and has a 2880 by 1,440 pixel resolution. We already loved the display on the U11, and this update seemed at least as good in the short time I had it in my hands. Stay tuned for the final verdict on that one. The larger screen has made room for a larger battery, too. There's a meaty 3,930 mAh cell stuffed inside, which should let you breeze through a day of use without any concern about it conking out right as you're about to send that crucial text with your pizza order to your mates. The front-facing camera is now 8 megapixels, half what you'd get before, but it has a wider angle of view and various HDR improvements to help make your selfies pop. Other updates include louder speakers and a new app launcher wheel that opens when you squeeze the sides of the phone, a quirky navigation feature the company launched on the U11 and has since been seen on the Pixel 2, which HTC also made.